Hey everyone, Victoria here. I wanted to show you my latest project. For Christmas, I received some really cool art supplies and some canvases and some markers. So this is my latest project where I took 3 different canvases and I just wanted to freehand some really cool shapes on there, and I kind of let it evolve from there. These are some markers that I received as a Christmas present. Super stoked. They were just amazing. Really great variety. Got some grays, browns, and pinks. I really wanted to do something kind of neutral. I really tried to stick with neutral. These markers are pretty cool because, well, they let you blend, so it was kind of like color pencil blending, or because they had ink, it was kind of like, watercolor blending. By the end of the painting, I decided to do a little bit of, something extra than just the markers. So I did a little bit of mixed media. They came out really cool. I'm really excited. So to finish it off, I decided for the extra pieces that I would do a little bit of Mod Podge with some, well, it's not newspaper, it's actually book paper that I ripped out of a old book. Here I am trying to piece together. I'm not the best at cutting these pieces out, but I think they came out okay. And then last but not least, I added some pen marks in to outline it a little bit and purposefully went a little haphazard, made it a little abstract, made the lines go a little crazy, and they came out very much like a web where they stuck together. It was just fun. This is kind of like my signature type of penmanship on some of my pieces. And that's pretty much it. I didn't put a background in. I left the bare canvas to show through. But yeah, I think it came out pretty cool. And here they are, all framed, really pretty. There's a flower. I think it came out pretty good. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you are interested in purchasing this piece, it'll be posted online. Thanks so much for joining.